Hi everyone, today I speak about stops, how to make stops, how to make a double stop, how to make simple stop. Stop is very important in the exam and in your life. So here in the next intersection there are stop for everyone or collective stop. So the best thing to make the stop is stop the wheel and make left, right, left. 3 seconds. Always speak about 3 seconds, but in the real time it's 3 steps. Left, right, left, or left, right, left. It's not 3 seconds. Just verification for 3 steps. Now I have other stop, collective stop, left, right, left, and go. Here look, here in the car, in my car, in all cars, there are dot points. Dot points is not blind spots. So when you make the stop in intersection, you check in the window because dot points blind your eyes sometimes. Look here, for example, it's very important to check in your window because sometimes there are pedestrians cross the street or the road, and if you don't look in window, you don't have vision because that point blind your eyes. Look, left, right, left, and go. Always I make my tire, my wheel, I make stop and I check left, right, left. Here there are zone school. Be careful in the zone school for speedy. It's very important. 30 or 20 or no more, because I go straight. There are a bump here where there are bump. Just I put little bit my brake and go. Be careful here, children. There are too many children because like I told, they are zone school. So in the next light here I turn left, make blind spot. In the light to make just blind spot, and I go straight. Here there are stop for everyone, collective stop, and I check left, right, left. So always it's better to rule next to median line or yellow line. Don't forget to subscribe, that's my gift, the gift for me. Okay, in the next stop you turn right. Blind spot is very important, don't forget blind spots. I check left, right, left, blind spots, and I turn. Always check left, right, left when there are stop. Here I go, I take the first line or the nearest Y. So I go and I turn left in the next intersection. I make my flasher 15 meters, blind spot, because no stop here, I make just blind spot. Okay, and always here that's one way. In one way I take the first lane. Okay, so in the next stop I turn right. Be careful, speedy, very important. So next stop it's sample stop. Look, the sample stop just for me. When the stop just for me, I make double stop, double verification. left, right, left quickly. I go slowly, just with the brake. After left, right, left. After blind spot in the right, because I turn the right. If you turn the right, you blind spot in the right. If you turn in the left, you check blind spot in the left. And now I go slowly. That's very important. 2 hands in the wheel, and I go. I check the speedy, very important. My vision, always I look very far. So here I like to change line. I check my blind spot 2 ways or 2 times. I check when I change the line, I check 2 times. When I turn, I check just one time. Here I am in intersection, so always you make intersection free, because perhaps there are emergency car, police, or other emergency cars. So always you take the intersection free. You take a distance. I go straight now. I have green. When you have green, no problem. I check always. I check left, right, left in my mirrors. I turn here right. Make blind spot. Very important. When you turn, you check blind spot. Just you check blind spot just 1 time. In the next stop, I turn left. So here they are simple stop. Just stop for me. Look, just for me. So make left, right, left, and I make a double stop. One just for you. You have stop. You make 2 stops. Left, right, left, and you make a blind spot and you turn. Here they are stop for everyone. Collective stop. Left, right, left, and I stop my wheel, my tire completely. Very important, you stop completely. I go straight now. I check, they are parked here. Look, the park speedy, very important. Just theory. I check left, right, left, and I go straight always. Today just a course for stop and vision, double stop, simple stop, blind sign. So here I go to the shop. In the shopping center, be careful about speedy. Speedy usually is just 20 or less. So there are many stops and there are many pedestrians. Be careful, always make stop completely also. So here left, right, left, very important. Behind the line, the white line, and here they are other stop, left, right, left, very important, because there are too many pedestrians, huh? So many thanks for everyone, everybody. Donc that is my first video in English. Me also I can speak Spanish and French, Arabic. So here they are line, that is when they are line for stop, be careful. That is for bus, because bus here coming, and the place for the bus is not to cross the line. Okay, always you make the stop behind the line, before the line. So thank you for everyone, and I see you next time.